Hello folks, this is your channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called the Steamed Kale. Chinese name called 蒸羽衣甘蓝. The main ingredients we need the fresh kales. We wash the kales and cut it to small pieces like this big. And then we need the wheat flour. Any all-purpose wheat flour is okay. If you want to do gluten-free, you can use rice flour or the cornstarch. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. We add the fresh cutted kales and into a large mixing bowl. You can cut it small. It's kind of like you will eat a kale salad. That's a small piece. This is the wheat flour, all-purpose wheat flour. Any brand is okay. Or if you want to do gluten-free, you can use the rice flour or the cornstarch. Then we add some wheat flour into it. This is, you can decide, depending on how much wheat flour you can add. If you don't want to have too much wheat flour, you don't need to add too much. Or don't add too much rice flour or cornstarch. It's all up to you. Now we mix it. This is plain salt. We add probably half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon plain salt. Don't add too much. This is a vegetable oil. You can use olive oil or any other oil. Or peanut oil, it's all up to you. We add probably a quarter cup. Now we can keep mixing. Let the wheat flour coat the kales. We want to add a little more wheat flour. Okay, I think this is done. You see it's very sticky. Right now it's done. Okay, then we will steam it. Okay, we get a steamer. We put a steam here. This is a clean cloth, kitchen cloth. We want it should be the cotton one or fiber one, just not a plastic one. Okay, we just add the kales. Careful, don't add the kales into a steamer. Make it be flat here. Then fold the rest of the kitchen towel back. Okay. Then put the lid on. We'll go to steam it. We'll add probably 8 cups of water, cold water, into the pot. Then put our steamer on the pot and match. Then we turn the stove to high fire. When the steamer constantly pump out from between the lid and the steamer, and so the steam goes through the whole steamer. So we set a timer for 15 minutes. Then, because we don't put a lot into it. If you put a lot, maybe you set it for 20 minutes. Or if you add more to it, you can probably set it not more than 25 minutes. So we set a timer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we turn off the stove. You can let it just stay here to keep it warm, or we can open the lid. Okay, you can move it to the side, let it cool down, or you can put it still on the top. Just the way add water to the pot. Make sure after you finish it steaming, still have some water in the pot. Don't have a dry pot. So that's why you need to add enough water to it. Okay, with your chopstick, or you can use the clay opened. Pick up the stuff, stick to it. Okay. Look. This will be the would look like after steam it. This is just a way of cooking. You can steam any kind of vegetables, even potatoes, this way. I will show you another recipe later. Okay, so it will be like this. See it? Now we can eat it. We add the steamed kales, some steamed kales into the serving bowl. Okay. This is garlic. We smash some garlic. If you don't like garlic, you don't need to add it. And chop it. Okay. Add it on the top. We put a pan on the stove, high fire. We add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to the pan. Don't add too much. Heat it until the oil is hot. Heat it until the oil is hot. We can add a little piece of garlic into the oil to see if the oil is ready or not. Just let the oil is a little hot. Little. So we can start frying the vegetable at a temperature. We turn off the stove. When the oil is hot, we turn off the stove. We add this hot oil. We don't need to add this much, add some. Above the garlic. Okay. This is the soy sauce. And we add half tablespoon soy sauce to it. If you like spicy, you can add some chili oil. We add a little chili oil to it. If you don't like it, don't add it. This is a chicken soup based mixture. We can add just a little, just tiny few to it. Don't add too much. Also, you can also add some MSG. It's up to you. This is MSG. This is the sesame oil. We add a few drops sesame oil to it. Remember, we already have salt to in the when we make this steamed kale. So you can adjust it to try it if you don't have enough salt. If you didn't taste enough salt, you can add a little more. But right now, don't add it. Just mix it. Okay, we can eat it. It tastes pretty good. I will show you another way to eat the steamed kales. We turn on the stove, high fire, add some vegetable oil to it. Probably add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to a quarter cup vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, we crack 2 eggs into it. This is salt. We add a pinch of salt to it. Not too much. This is the black pepper. We added some black pepper to it. Not too much. Okay, we stir it. This is some chopped granite. We added 2 tablespoons chopped granite to it, and then keep frying. Slowly fry until the green onion release good smell. Now we added the steamed keels into it. Now we stir fry it. Give it more good flavor. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. Remember, we don't need to add salt because we already have salt in the steamed kale, so we don't need to add salt. Just add some soy sauce. If you want to add some MS3 or the chicken soup based mixture, it's totally fine. If you want spicy, you also can add some chili oil to it. It's also too. It's all up to you. So this one's done. Put it in there. So the steamed kale, this dish is done. And I hope you like it. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.